Oh, if you would like.
Sheikh, the captain of the plane,
Sir, I was going to tell you, if you would like, you're welcome to come on board now with the crew. We'll put you in the captain's seat and get a picture of you at the controls. We might have you. This is a fellow that was at Adil. Do you think you'd like to do this? If you would,
They want to make you sit on the...
he's going to come out and sit in the cockpit and we'll get his picture.
All right. Good deal.
we'll go to all.
Okay.
For me.
It's okay. Welcome to United Airlines.
Come right on up.
We're going to fly the plane,
I figure you might enjoy this.
He's always flying. He's always flying the plane.
Yeah, I know. That's the metaphor, yeah.
When you use your camera,
Yes.
if you can use a flash with it or use backlit to get better pictures, okay, force your camera to use the flash because there's so much light coming from the window that you get a better picture if you use a flash.
Is it okay for me to put your hand in there?
Sure. Can you put this on top, sir? I don't know if you want to do that or not. Here you go.
Let's see if I can.
Oh, excuse me. Let me get out of here.
That's okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Use your flash.
Yeah.
You get a lot better picture. Let me get out of here.
Mawlana, where is the plane going, Mawlana?
Chicago, inshallah.
To heaven? This is the cockpit of a United Airlines, I think 747?
Oh, this is a 757. Now, wait a second. There's something I must ask. Please, I apologize if I'm doing something crazy, but I got a sense of humor too. May I put his hat on and get my picture taken?
Yeah, of course.
Show me how to do this, sir, because I don't want to mess your hat up. And I promise you I took a shower this morning.
This may change your life forever.
I hope so.
You're responsible for it. Alhamdulillah, you're wearing the turban of the highest spiritual authority on earth at this moment.
Listen, I need it, sir.
I get the two of you.
What do you think, Michael?
Well, it'll look good, but when you sit down in that seat, you're going to hit the ceiling with it, so be careful.
I've got to ask. Hey, guys.
What is your name?
Kelly.
And your name, sir?
What do you think?
Michael.
Michael.
Is this better? It's okay?
Soon everyone will be wearing them.
Yeah, I know.
You know what? I think this is great. You know, sir, I enjoy this more than you would ever believe.
Sit a little closer.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
You know, we could open that window.
Did you get it?
Now look my way.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Got it.
You know what? We'll have more fun with this.
Ask for his
You better
blessing.
take this off. I don't want to do anything wrong here.
He is the world leader of the Sufi spiritual order.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, they showed in the photograph from the newspaper also.
Yes.
Ask for his blessing if you want in your life.
Well, I think he blessed me already. As a matter of fact, he blessed the crew, and we all appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
When that big turbulence comes, don't worry.
In this world, we need all the blessings we can get. Anywho, thank you. Let me get back out of here now. Let you guys have a chance, because you'll need to go back outside.